The issue of free education started well in 1997, and it worked well for some years. The number of children, a total of 20 million children, got free education for primary and secondary schools. Then the local elite came in and started extracting money from the poor families for commercialized education. That has led to the children dropping out of school. You can check district by district the completion rate between the primary and the secondary school bridges and thereafter. This betrayal will be defeated with adequate budgeting for teachers enough in numbers to remove the pretext by the local elite of saying that they are milking money from the poor in order to hire more teachers. I'm providing completely free education at my skilling hubs. Yet my effort is more costly than the UPE USC option that ought to be day schools because they are near the population. It is therefore correct that the education system goes back to the strategy of modernized emyoga.